Cześć, dzień dobry, how are you teman-teman? Oke, hari ini saya Linda di video saya Linda Xie. Today, actually you can see here kapusta in Polish. Karena kita bilangnya apa Indonesia, kita bilangnya kubis ya, atau cabbage atau bunga kol kali ya. Oke, and you can see which one bigger. The size is so big, ya. This one about I think 3 kilo and the price is rupiah almost 20,000. So teman-teman kasih nanti komen ya. Ini kepala ini besar kepala saya atau besar kubis ini. Dan harganya sekitar 20.000, 20,000 rupiah the cost ya here. So okay, today I would like to make kapusta for Indonesian traditional food. Actually we call bakwan kubis ya. Oke, sebelumnya aku pernah masak ya. I ever prepare this bakwan and share with the local people here, with my friends, and also my friends are from China, my colleagues especially ya, teman kantor saya. Then they say it's very nice and they like it. I'm so happy if they like our Indonesian the snacks food ya, kapusta. So in my previous video, I make one of snacks food from Polish, and today I would like to share with you how to make the bakwan dari kubis ya, bakwan from cabbage or kapusta, one of a traditional snacks food from Indonesia. So let's see what is the ingredients to make a bakwan. Inilah bahan-bahan yang diperlukan untuk membuat bakwan ya. Ingredients to make the kapusta pancake or cabbage pancake, the snack food from Indonesia. And the first is the cabbage or kubis ya. This one I just cut slices. You also can shred ya. So use this one. And this time I use about 6 to 7 pieces, something slight ya for this one kapusta kubisnya. And then marchewka. After that, marchewka is a wortel, carrot. I just use 1 pieces. And then after that, spring onion, I use about 4 pieces of spring onion. And then after that, we also cut slices. And then I also can add, you also can add or not for the parsley. This time I use about 4 pieces of parsley, yeah. And then this one I also add the 3 pieces. After that, I blender for the garlic to make a flavor nicer. Yeah, the smell is nice. And then for the flour, this time I use about 3 kind of flour. The first is a normal flour. I use about 250 gram or normal flour. Tepung protein sedang aja ya. And then second time is I use rice flour. Rice flour in Polish we call mąka ryżowa. Ya, tepung beras. Tepung beras saya gunakan sekitar 80 gram, 80 gram. Why? Because I would like to make crunchy. So this one is very important if you want to make a crunchy ya. And then the third is the corn flour. So corn flour I use about 50 gram. Okay, so this one you can add or not, it doesn't matter. The important is the flour, yeah. And to make crunchy is crunchy, you should add the rice flour. And then for the seasoning, so this time I add for the this one for the salt I use about 2 teaspoons of salt. And then baking powder you can add or not, it doesn't matter. I just add about 1 teaspoon. And then sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then this one is I use about kaldu ya, seasoning. So this one I add about 1 teaspoon of kaldu. After that I also use a kara, coconut milk. So this time I use about 65 milliliter because here we have a 65 milliliter. So I just add the 65 milli. And then to fry it, we just add this on the oil. And then of course we have to add the water also. So this time I just add about use about 0.3 liter. So this is all ingredient to make bakwan Indonesia. First, we just add this one, so the kapusta inside, cabbage ya, put inside. Don't know where this one is. It looks like not enough space for me. Yeah, the next is we just add everything, go inside here. Yeah. Spring leaf. kembali. The flour. Monka rezoa atau tepung beras ya, kita masukkan, dan juga kita masukkan ini tepung jagung ya, the corn flour. So the seasoning I will add later when I already mix, also with the kara. So after mix ya, just now the ingredients, so I just add the coconut milk. Actually coconut milk you can skip also, never mind. This one I just add the coconut milk because just to make a flavor more tasty and the nice smell actually ya. So if you don't like the coconut milk, you can skip for this. So I just add. To make a dish cabbage bakwan, actually similar like in my previous video, to make the cucumber ya, from the Timun Jepang, cucumber pancake ya, atau labu pancake. After that we just mix everything, all this the seasoning ya, just add everything. So masukkan saja semuanya, gula, garam, kaldu, penyedap ya, semuanya kita masukkan. Selepas itu kita aduk kembali. Selanjutnya aku tambahkan air ya. Aku tambahkan air, I just add the water, but this one we from the 0.3 milliliter I just add a little bit also, and then see whether this is mixed well or not, because sometimes the cabbage is produce a lot of water as well, so if we too watery is not good also ya. So mix again. I think this one is still dry, so I just add everything. Okay, then I mix again. Okay, jadi setelah after I finish mixing ya, make sure the texture is like this ya teman-teman. Jujur ini nyaris wanginya minta ampun ya. Bahkan saya I haven't fried it, but the smell I still, wow, very nice really. Yeah, so this is the texture. Ya teman-teman, gini ya, jadi not too watery, also not too hard ya. After that we just prepare the teflon and then also use the oil ya, but this time I use oil not so many karena orang sini nggak suka terlalu oily ya, jadi aku pakai minyaknya terlalu sedikit aja nanti. Dan ini apinya kita pakai api sedang, jangan terlalu besar karena nanti kalau besar gosong. So like this ya, the position of the fire. So not too big, not too small ya. Jadi setelah minyaknya udah terlalu matang ya, sudah agak panas, baru kita masukin. Tapi di sini pas goreng nanti the position after we fried ya, so the position of the fire we have to be small. But at the moment we just put the medium. So I just add like this. You can make big, you can make small. So it's depend on your like this ya teman-teman. Jadi ini sesuai selera, bisa kecil, bisa besar, bisa tebal ataupun tipis ya. Warnanya pun cantik sekali ya. The color is very beautiful. So the position is like this. Okay, next we just wait until cook ya. Then after that we have to turn back another side ya. Okay, let's see. So I feel this one is already cooked at the bottom. So after that we just turn here, same like in the previous video, make like itu ya, mentimun labu ya, atau labu atau timun Jepang itu sama. Jadi kita harus bolak-balik kan. So we have to fry another position. See the color is so beautiful. It's like gold color. Wangi juga teman-teman, harum. So inilah bakwanku. Mana bakwanmu? Cantik ya teman-teman, the color. So you can comment ya whether my bakwan is good or not, the texture. Wanginya. Oke, setelah masak ya teman, kita angkat tiriskan ya. So after finish, we just put into here. But I just use the filter first to reduce the oil ya. So very nice, right? The color beautiful. So this is bakwan kubis from Indonesia. Ini sangat terkenal loh di Indonesia. It's very famous street food ya. So if you come to Indonesia, don't forget to eat bakwan, okay? Very tasty, very menyam-nyam. Ini bentuknya kayak gitar ya. Oke teman-teman, ini yang terakhir ya. Jadi after I make this one, so I can make about with this size ya. So I can make about 26 pieces of bakwan. Yeah, finally I finish with my bakwan. Teman-teman mau cobain nggak? Sini bagi, nanti saya bagi ya. Ayo mari ke Poland, nanti saya buatin buat kalian ya. Ya, inilah bakwan kubisku. Very nice and beautiful, right? As you can see here, this is a white color, this is a cabbage, and then the green color is spring onion, and then a bit orange is a carrot. So let's try, okay? Aku ambil satu ya. I will try this, and then with chili. Teng teng. So again, usually in Indonesia when I eat the bakwan also, so I will eat with the chili, and this time also same, I will eat with the sambal terasi. So the sambal terasi is made from the shrimp ya, small shrimp, and the chili is very tasty, very spicy also. Let's try, okay, with bakwan. Super, very delicious. Teman-teman bisa dengar nggak rasanya krak 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 suaranya gitu, it's a bit sound, so that means it's a crunchy ya. Very tasty, very nice smell, and very crunchy. So this is bakwan Indonesia. Oke, sekian video saya mengenai how to prepare the bakwan from Indonesia. So see you again in my next video of Linda Asia. Bye, do widzenia. Have a nice day.